Welcome to my channel. From Idlewild, we are taking Scenic Route 74, connecting Interstate I-10. We will stop at Cottonwood Visitor Center. Further north, another 68 kilometers to Joshua Tree. California State Route 74, also known as the Pines to Palms Highway, is one of the Southern California's most scenic highways. It stretches from San Juan Capistrano, from Pacific Coast all the way to Palm Desert, traversing a variety of landscape, including coastal hills, mountain range, and desert valleys. Road climbs to over 1,200 meters. Then descends steeply into Coachella Valley. You better fill up your gas tank, as there is no gas station until Palm Desert. Looking at the scenic view. We are stopping over here. A very breezy, sunny day. The Coachella Vista Point provides a dramatic panoramic view of the Coachella Valley. Stretching from Palm Desert to India. With the surrounding mountains framing the arid. Sun-soaked landscape below. The roads are very winding. The elevation of the point is about 450 meters. This point offers the perfect moment to appreciate the pines to palms transition. Gazing at desert palms far below. There are no restrooms or food at the Vista Point. This is a drive safely warning note. We continue our journey, descending along Route 74. Soon we will be reaching Cottonwood. The Cottonwood Visitor Center is one of the main entry points to Joshua Tree National Park. Located on the Colorado Desert southern side of the park. Here is hotter, lower in elevation. We need to respect the nature and not taking lightly on the desert weather. You can get some souvenirs here. Do you know what is this? You can find some educational exhibits about Mojave Desert and Colorado Desert. Geology of the Pinto Basin. There is no mobile signal once you are heading towards Mojave Desert. Turkey Flats is situated along Pinto Basin Road, about 19 km from Cottonwood. Is a stunning backcountry area in Joshua Tree National Park. You begin to see some very interesting plants. Let's pull over. We never see Joshua Tree before. We thought this is the one. The sun was so glaring. Called Cholla cactus. This 10 acres area filled with thousands of Cholla cacti, located in the transition zone between the Mojave Desert and Colorado Desert. This teddy bear Cholla looks soft and fuzzy, but it actually covered in dense barbed spines. Please do not touch it, as the Cholla's barbed spines detach easily and can painfully embed into skin or clothing. The rocks at Joshua Tree National Park are among its most iconic. Massive, rounded boulders. Does this unique plant look familiar? Yes, this is called Joshua Tree. t-shirt in the souvenir shop. Now we arrived at Skull Rock. No drones are allowed in Joshua Tree Park. You're subject to a $180 fine for first-time violations. Launching from a private land outside the park is technically legal. Skull Rock is one of the most iconic natural rock formations in Joshua Tree Park. It's a favorite stop for visitors. Look for a quick family hike or great photo shots. Skull Rock is known for its eerie resemblance to a human skull. A large granite boulder that has naturally eroded into a shape of a skull, complete with 2 hollow eye sockets. The effect is the result of weathering and erosion from water collecting in small depressions over thousands of years. Joshua Tree looks like a spiky, twisted tree with thick arms reaching upward. It grows in the Mojave Desert. It can live over 150 years. It belonged to Agave family, so not technically a tree. It is named by Mormon settlers who thought the arms resembled the biblical figure Joshua reaching to the sky. We started off from Idlewild, drove past 2 deserts, Mojave and Colorado. We are now heading Desert Hills Premium Outlet for dinner. Thank you for watching. We'll take you to Laguna Beach for my next video.